everything's on now.
Do you think our...
And we have sound. Hopefully our GoPro won't overheat. I should sit up a little bit more. So we're here down on the beach tonight, watching the sunset. I think that's one of our favorite things to do here, is to watch the sunset. We brought the cameras down and try and capture a little bit of the essence of the beach and the waves and what the colors are like.
Yeah.
We got sand all over everything.
So why don't we give everyone a little update about what's been going on with us?
Okay. If you want to start.
Well, I think the last time we were doing anything on YouTube, it was this time last year. And we wanted to share with our family and friends what we were doing in Maui. So here we are again, a year later, back in Maui, our favorite place in Kapalua, right on the beach. And yeah, now we should probably tell them what we've been doing for the past year.
Yeah, we had intended to keep up and do a few YouTube videos during the year, but we kind of got really busy because we decided to move, to buy a new house and move to a different location. So we ended up buying an acreage in rural Saskatchewan. We got 15 acres with a house and a shop on the property. It's kind of my dream acreage sort of situation. And fortunately for me, Jenny likes the setup, so she's happy with it too, I think.
Yep, really am. So what else have you been doing?
Well, let's see then. We were doing renovations on our house in British Columbia, trying to get it ready to sell. When winter came along, we moved all of our stuff to the acreage in Saskatchewan and started renovating the interior of that place as well. So I guess going forward, what we're gonna do is go back to Canada when we're done here and probably try and sell the place in BC. I'm not sure how good that's going to go, but we'll try and see what happens. And then get ourselves sort of finished completely moving to Saskatchewan. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It's like the sun's starting to drop now real quickly. I think we got an outside chance at a nice sunset tonight. It hasn't been as good this year. The sky's been kind of hazy, not quite as clear. But. Well, what would you add to what we've been doing?
Well, we've been doing renos on our place at the lake and British Columbia, and we've been doing some renos on our new place at the acreage, and we've got lots more to do, lots more renos.
And we've been really busy at this since we came back from Maui last year. That's kind of why we ended up dropping our efforts to try and get a few more YouTubes done.
We like it, it's fun. It's just we got really busy and buying a new property and renovating stuff. And then there was fires in British Columbia. And so we had to leave for a little while, and we went to visit my family down in Georgia. So it's been interesting.
Yeah, we ended up being away in the summertime at your parents' place for a whole month.
Yeah, there was a lot of evacuations around our lake area. We didn't want to have to just have our bags packed every night ready to evacuate, so it was nice. We went to see my parents and helped them with some some renovation.
Yeah, he was doing a flooring project in his new house in Atlanta. And we got sick for about a week, and then he recruited us to work on the floor, and we ended up staying for a whole lot longer than we'd originally intended. But that was okay too, because the fires were still going on in British Columbia, and it wasn't fun to be at the lake.
Anyway, this is turning out to be gorgeous. So when we get back to Canada, we're going to do lots more renos. Maybe we can share some of that too, maybe. Won't be as relaxing as this though.
No, we're going to have to work pretty hard, but maybe we might try and do a few YouTube videos about the specific renovation projects we're doing. Give us some material. There, the sun's touching down on the horizon now. Just a red ball.
Yep.
Yeah, this is just gorgeous down here.
Love you.
Love you too.
Yep, there it goes.
Well, I hope our new camera captures some of what this looks like, so those of you that watch our video can share a little bit about how pretty it is. The weather report said that Sunset would be at 6:40, and it's exactly on time.
Oh, really? Yeah, there it went. Well, guys, I hope this turned out. I hope you get to see it. Yeah.
Well, it doesn't look like the sunset's going to give us any color after, so
Yeah.
maybe we'll call it good for tonight.
Yeah.
Anyways, hope you all enjoyed watching the sunset with us tonight.
Yeah. See ya.